Welcome to this hands-on overview of Amazon SageMaker. Amazon SageMaker is a fully managed service from AWS. It helps you build, train, and deploy machine learning models at scale. This video gives you a quick tour of SageMaker. We'll explore its core tools, see how it fits into the AWS ecosystem, and highlight how it supports your machine learning workflows. Let's begin by signing into the AWS Management Console. Search for SageMaker in the search bar. Then click the Amazon SageMaker service to enter the dashboard. We're setting it up for a single user. This takes a few minutes. Behind the scenes, SageMaker is creating a domain environment. This domain connects all your SageMaker tools in one place. Now the SageMaker domain is ready. It's up and running. Let's go into user profiles and select our user. From here, we can access the full suite of SageMaker tools: Studio, Canvas, TensorBoard, Profiler, and more. Click on Studio. This is SageMaker Studio, your all-in-one environment for machine learning. It's a web-based interface where everything happens. You can take a guided tour if you'd like. But for now, we'll jump right in. First, let's explore Data Wrangler. Data Wrangler makes preparing data easy. You can import datasets, clean them, and apply over 300 built-in transformations, all with just a few clicks. Next, we have the Feature Store. This lets you store, reuse, and manage machine learning features across teams. SageMaker also integrates with Amazon EMR. This is useful for large-scale data processing with tools like Spark and Hadoop. You can use AutoML to automatically build, train, and tune your models. Run experiments, evaluate results, and optimize for production. There's also SageMaker pipelines to manage your entire machine learning workflow, from data prep to deployment. Next is SageMaker Jumpstart. Jumpstart lets you launch pre-built models from providers like Hugging Face, Meta, AI21 Labs, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. It has more ready-to-use models than even Amazon Bedrock. When you're ready, you can deploy your model with just a few clicks. SageMaker helps manage endpoints, handle traffic, and monitor performance. SageMaker Studio also includes tools that data scientists love. Use JupyterLab for notebooks and coding. Use RStudio if you prefer R. You can also use MLflow to track experiments and manage the machine learning lifecycle. So that's a high-level tour of Amazon SageMaker. It brings together everything you need: data, models, automation, and deployment, into one powerful platform. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced ML engineer, SageMaker helps you build smarter, faster. Thanks for watching.